We're going to, in this lesson, determine the equation of a line from 2 points. In our last lesson, when we determined the equation of a line, we knew we needed two things: slope and the y-intercept. So in our first example, it says to determine the equation of a line passing through each pair of points. So I have m, which is 4, -3, and n, which is 2, 5. So if I was to plot 4, -3, I'd have a point approximately here, and 2, 5, it had a point approximately here. We have a line that's going through those 2 points. And it's our job now to find the equation of that line. And we're going to do it algebraically. So we know we need our n and we need our b. And this information doesn't give us either of that. So we need to start by calculating our slope. We have a formula that we use to calculate the slope of a line, y2 minus y1, divided by x2 minus x1. So I have 2 points. I'll label them as x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'll go ahead and sub in. y2 is 5 minus y1 is a -3. And x2 is 2 minus x1 is 4. Okay, so we know that subtracting a negative is like adding, so 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 minus 4 is a -2, and that divides to -4. So I know the slope of my line, and now I'm going to find the y-intercept. So I find the y-intercept by writing what I know so far. We did this in our last lesson, and I have to sub in a point. Now in this case, I have 2 points to pick from, and I should get the same b value regardless of which point I pick. So you choose which one. I'm going to choose the point n because both values x and y are positive, and I would rather deal with positive values than negative. So I'm going to sub in 2, 5. I'll make sure I label so I put the right value in for the right variable. So 5 goes in. That equals -4 times 2 plus b. 5 equals -4 times 2 is a -8 plus b. And now I'll add 8 to both sides. And 5 plus 8 gives me 13. Okay, I have the m and the b, the two things I need, and now I just write my equation. So y equals -4x plus 13. Okay, good. Now why don't you try example 2, pause the video, try example 2, and then you can come back and see if you get the same answer as me. All right, we need two things, m and b. Start by getting your slope. We're going to write our formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Make sure our points are labeled. So I'll be subbing in 11 minus 2, and then 8 minus a -4. 11 minus 2 is 9. 8 minus a -4 would be like 8 plus 4, which is 12. And then that reduces to 3 over 4. So I have my slope. Now I'll find my y-intercept. I'll write down what I know so far, which is y equals 3/4 x plus b. And I'm going to sub in a point. I'm going to pick the point that has 2 positive values, so 8, 11. Remember, you can pick either point and you'll still get the same answer for b. Okay, I'll label my point and I'll sub 11 in for y. And that's 3/4 times x, which is 8, plus b. I'll multiply my fractions. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus b. I can divide. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And then I'll go ahead and subtract both sides by 6. And 11 minus 6 is 5. So I have my m, I have my b, and then I write my equation. Y equals 3 over 4x plus 5. All right, our last example. This is a little bit different because it says an x-intercept of 4 and a y-intercept of 7. So we have to remember that x-intercept of 4 is a point that would be written as 4, 0 as an ordered pair, and the y-intercept of 7 would be written as 0, 7. So the two things I need for my equation is my m and my b, and I actually already have my b, which is my y-intercept of 7. So I'm just finding m, and we'll do that using our slope formula. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's go ahead and label our points. And we'll sub in. So it's 7 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 4. That's going to be 7 over negative 4. So we have our slope, negative 7 over 4, and we'll simply write our equation. Y equals negative 7 over 4x plus 7. All right, and that's the end of our lesson. So hopefully this has helped you understand how to come up with the equation of a line given 2 points. Have a great day.